Hi guys, welcome to our lesson for today. We want to look at exponential simultaneous equations. We have already looked at indices and simultaneous equations into details. So kindly go to my channel, subscribe and get access to all the previous videos. Thank you. Let us begin. So we want to solve this simultaneous equation, but it involves powers or indices. So we are being asked to find m and n in this. So let us begin. The first thing that we need to do is to change this 3 raised to the power m times 3 raised to the power n by applying the first law of indices on it. The first law of indices is saying that anytime at all the bases are the same and they are multiplying, then their powers are going to add. So I can do that. So this is the same as 3 raised to the power m plus n. This would be equal to 2, 4, 3. We can then go ahead and break the 2, 4, 3 down, and that will be 3 raised to the power 5 because we want the bases to be the same. So let's do that. So this will become 3 raised to the power m plus n is equal to 3 raised to the power 5. All right. The bases are now the same, so we can equate the powers. So this is the same as m plus n is equal to 5. This becomes our first equation. All right. Let us move ahead and then break the second equation. As I said earlier, this has to do with the second law of indices. There is a division here. The bases are the same. It means that the powers must subtract from each other. So this will become 3 raised to the power m minus 2n equals 9. This will then become 3 raised to the power m minus 2n equals 3 raised to the power 2. The bases are the same, so we can equally equate the powers. So this will become m minus 2n equals 2. This is our second equation. Let us try to rewrite the equations next to each other so that we can solve them accordingly. So we have m plus n equals 5. This is equation 1. Then m minus 2n equals 2, equation 2. Okay, so what we need to do is to subtract equation 2 from 1 because we want to eliminate m. I'm using the elimination method. So this is equation 1 minus 2. Equation 1 minus 2, m minus m goes to 0. Now we have n minus negative 2n. This is equal to 5 minus 2. At this side, it is this minus, here is it. Then this negative is what we have attached to the 2 here. All right, so n minus negative 2n is the same as positive 3n equals 3. What we are interested in is n and not 3n. So we are going to divide here by 3, divide here by 3. So our n is equal to 1. All right. Then the next thing that we want to do is to substitute n equals 1 into any of the two equations. Let's put that into equation 1. So when we do that, this will become m plus, in place of n is now going to be 1. So that's going to be 1 equals 5. We have m equals 5. This is positive. When it crosses, becomes negative. So now our m is equal to 4. Therefore, our m is equal to 4 and our n is equal to 1. I hope this helps.